Hey, it's Mel with We Can Code It. Today I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Java Eclipse IDE, Integrated Development Environment. This will allow you to create Java programs and build them and have a lot of fun with us. Go ahead and go to eclipse.org. In the top right, click Download. You'll come to another page where it says Oxygen. Click Download. Finally, a third page where it asks you where you want to download from. Click Download in the middle. This will start the process of downloading the Java Eclipse IDE installer on your machine. You're going to just wait a little bit, and when it's ready, go ahead and click the application that just downloaded to open it. Here's the installer. Choose the first option, Eclipse for Java developers, and click Install, and you're almost there. All you have to do now is wait for the install. It shouldn't be too long. Then you'll have this new application, which is called Eclipse, the version's Oxygen, on your machine. You'll be able to launch it, and you'll be able to start writing code with us. It's fantastic. Head on over to wecancodeit.org and learn more about our coding boot camps.